If you're interested about the world of holder airdrops and governance tokens, the ZetaChain Zeta dollar airdrop is a great place to begin. This video will provide a step-by-step walkthrough of the sign-up process, explain the unique features of the ZetaChain ecosystem, and offer tips on maximizing your airdrop rewards. ZetaChain, an innovative blockchain project focused on omnichain decentralized applications, has announced its second airdrop campaign. This presents an exciting opportunity for crypto enthusiasts to earn free Zeta governance tokens and gain exposure to the futuristic world of multi-chain dApps. ZetaChain markets itself as the world's first Layer 1 decentralized public blockchain network that connects everything. Through novel architecture, it facilitates seamless value transfer, communication, and smart contract functionality across different blockchains and protocol layers. This interoperability unlocks the potential for omni-chain decentralized applications, dApps, that can access liquidity and move assets freely across Ethereum, BNB Chain, Polygon, and other connected networks. At the heart of the ZetaChain ecosystem is the Zeta dollar utility and governance token. Zeta dollar coins pay for transaction fees related to cross-chain transfers, swaps, message relay, and blockchain security. As a multi-chain asset, Zeta dollar is natively issued on multiple chains and layers. Token holders can also participate in governance votes to guide future development. The ongoing airdrop distribution aims to bootstrap a community of engaged Zeta dollar holders who will steward the network during its critical growth phase. Participating in the ZetaChain Zeta dollar airdrop, a step-by-step guide. Step 1. Opening the airdrop portal. To kick things off, you'll need to navigate to ZetaChain's dedicated airdrop webpage. This is where you'll find continuously updated information about active token distribution campaigns, including links and instructions on how to sign up. You can easily find the portal through an online search for ZetaChain Airdrop and clicking the top result. This should direct you to the official ZetaChain website, which hosts the portal. Step 2. Connecting your crypto wallet. The next step entails linking a digital asset wallet to receive your free token disbursements. Make sure you use an active wallet that's already initialized with funds. For security, we recommend creating a new throwaway wallet on MetaMask specifically for airdrop activity. Do not use wallets containing meaningful sums or those associated with your primary crypto address. Follow the on-screen prompts within the airdrop portal to connect your wallet through browser extensions or mobile apps as the case may be. Allow any permission requests needed to complete the process. Supported wallet platforms include MetaMask, Coinbase Wallet, Wallet Connect, and others that provide a Web3 browser connection. Hardware wallets can work as well. Step 3. Confirming registration. On-chain. Upon connecting a wallet, you may need to manually confirm your registration on the blockchain itself per the airdrop terms. This often involves signing a simple transaction to signal interest in participating. Carefully check all auto-populated details, like contract addresses, to verify legitimacy before approving. Nominal network fees may apply depending on which chain you confirm registration on. Step 4. Redirect to hidden airdrop page. Post-registration confirmation, you should see an automatic redirect to a dedicated ZetaChain airdrop portal for tracking your claim status. This is where you can monitor ongoing token disbursements. Note the new URL for future reference. Sometimes access to the hidden airdrop page requires re-authenticating through wallet signature. You may also receive special referral codes on this page. Step 5. Periodic distribution of tokens. With the setup formalities complete, it's now a waiting game for the actual Zeta token distribution. Different campaigns may feature staggered unlock schedules over weeks or months. You'll be able to confirm receipt directly on the private airdrop page. Actual token visibility will vary based on factors like chain conditions and wallet platform. Adding a custom Zeta dollar token can help expedite display. Secondary tasks like social promotion may be required or encouraged to earn bonus allotments. Be sure to check for ways to amplify your share. Participating in the ZetaChain Airdrop presents an exciting chance to earn free crypto tokens. To make the most of this opportunity, be sure to complete all available prompted tasks to qualify for the largest possible token rewards. The sign-up process may require sharing affiliate links with friends by email or social media to unlock referral bonuses, so take advantage of this easy way to amplify your distribution. It's also wise to bookmark the ZetaChain website and enable notifications so you don't miss any important announcements about the airdrop or project progress. As with any crypto activity, you'll want to maintain careful records of related transactions for tax reporting purposes. On top of claiming your tokens, take some time to learn about ZetaChain's core features and real-world use cases so you understand its long-term upside potential. Since Zeta Dollar is a governance token that allows voting on network decisions, brush up on decentralization principles if you're new to this model. When the ZetaChain mainnet eventually launches, plan to actively participate in governance activities to support the network. The more familiar you become with ZetaChain as both a technology platform and community, the better positioned you'll be to maximize the value of your free token allotment in both the short and long term. Staying informed on ZetaChain progress. Beyond just claiming tokens, it's important you keep up with ZetaChain's overall developmental achievements. As an early community member, this gives better context for informed network governance should the opportunity arise. Be sure to tune in to project updates published through channels like Medium articles, Discord announcements, Twitter feeds, and email newsletters. You may also connect with the regional ZetaChain community on Telegram. This feeds you a stream of critical information about technical milestones, business partnerships, exchange listings, mainnet readiness, governance plans, and other material events. It also keeps you posted on any changes in tokenomics or airdrop mechanics from phase to phase. Don't forget to bookmark the official blog and add leadership profiles on social media for notifications. ZetaChain's multi-chain focus makes it one of the more ambitious and futuristic blockchain infrastructure initiatives out there today. The ongoing airdrop campaign presents a prime opportunity to explore its potential firsthand. Following the steps in this guide will help you secure your share of the token distribution smoothly and efficiently. Just remember to take precautions with wallet selection and keep close tabs on the project roadmap after sign-up. With Zeta Dollar introduction right around the corner, now is the time to get involved with ZetaChain. The free tokens on offer mark only the starting point of what could eventually mature into an invaluable crypto network position should adoption gain steam. And that wraps up our overview of how to maximize your gains from the ZetaChain airdrop opportunity. Be sure to like and subscribe to Digital Financial Freedom for more videos breaking down the latest crypto airdrops and token distribution events.